My name is Deanna Kleinert with West Coast Lifestyle Group, and if you are looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse in South Burnaby, I have the home for you, and I'm looking forward to showing you around. This end unit has been perfectly updated. As you enter this spacious living room, you will find beautiful Brazilian cherry hardwood floors and a cozy gas fireplace. This open concept kitchen is wonderful for entertaining with new granite countertops, backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and Italian tile flooring. You also have this beautiful private patio right off the kitchen for a nightcap or a cup of coffee. The second floor features 2 spacious bedrooms, new laminate flooring, and a full washroom. This private loft-style master bedroom has the top floor all to itself. With 4-piece ensuite washroom, also updated with marble vanity and a new toilet. What's so special about this master bedroom is the covered rooftop patio to take in the views. Bonus, this unit comes with 2 tandem parking spots and a storage locker. It's in a gated, family-oriented complex with a renewed community playground for the little ones. Unbeatable location, close to Skytrain, shopping, restaurants, parks, and more. I know you love this home as much as I do. So for more information or your private tour, please feel free to give me a call at 604-789-8202.